and welcome to my channel. Tonight na. I'm gonna be reviewing a requested product by, Sis Missy Dipineski. Hi sis! This one is the Dream Girl, For You to Dream Girl Love Light BB Powder with SPF 15 PA++. So it says here that this is suitable for all skin types, and apply For You to Dream Girl BB Powder carefully and gently to facial skin using pulp applicator for complete coverage. So this is in 02 or the natural shade. So, ito yung loob ng product. Sorry for the sponge dahil ginagamit ko nga siya. May kita nyo naman yung sponge dirty na. But, yeah. So, this is how it looks like. And then, sorry yung lighting ko na naman. And then, when you swatch it, ito siya. Tapos, swatch ko sa kamay ko. Ito siya. Nakikita nyo pa ba? Yan. Ito. So, this is very light. And, yun nga, it is a BB powder. So, yun. Let's start. Actually, I put on the makeup na. But, hindi ko lang to nilalagay pa. So, yeah. I'm gonna be using this sponge instead of the brush. Kasi, pero pwede din na brush na lang yung gamitin natin para mas makita natin yung kanyang power. So, I'm gonna be using this Artist Studio powder brush and together with the powder. So, yun nga, a while ago I already did the makeup but I haven't put the powder pa. So, titignan natin. Medyo nakikita ko meron akong parang oily dito sa aking face. But, yes, let's start. If this is really a BB powder. Sabi naman, di ba, pag BB powder, parang yun nga, may BB cream siya included. But, yes, let's try this. So, kuha lang ako ng amount of the product. And, just going to apply it on my face. If you will notice, ito din yung notice, whatever. Ito din yung suot kong damit. Nung nag-film ako ng, what's that? The review on Quick Fix. Yun. Right, I'm done. I think, ito ulit. This product, ginagamit ko siya for my everyday use. So, I can really tell and I can really test kung ano siya, kung ito ba ay okay or not. Kasi, as I've said dun sa review ko, dun sa Quick Fix, hindi ko siya matitest outside, but then, I will just share to you yung experience ko nung ginagamit ko siya. Alright, so, the advantage of this one, this is very affordable. This is only 194 pesos sa Watsons or department store. Basta makikita nyo yung kiosk ng For You to Dream Girl. Makikita nyo na siya. And yan, nakaganto yan sa hindi ko na kasi alam kung nasan yung box nito eh. So, hindi ko na mapapakita yung packaging niya. Plus, I really like the packaging itself. It's color pink. It has hearts. Meron din siyang cupcake, candies, lollipop, and may logo ng Dream Girl. So, yun. Yun yung maganda. Doon ako nakitan. And then, one thing also na nagustuhan ko siya is very convenient dalhin. Napakaliit niya. And, kayang-kaya mo siyang lagay kahit saan. Kahit sa pouch, kahit kung halimbawa attend ka ng party and hindi ka magdadala ng malaking bag, pwedeng-pwede siya doon. pasok na pasok siya sa banga, sis. So, yun. And then, alright, sa face naman, no, when it comes sa face, yung feeling sa face ko, hindi siya ganun, ano siya, hindi siya cakey, kung makikita nyo, kung nakikita nyo guys, hindi siya cakey sa face ko, and, ang smooth niya, ilagay, ang ganda, tapos, ang napansin ko din dito, kapag nag-oily na yung face ko, or, hindi ako nakapag-blot, or hindi ako punas ng face, medyo naging oily lang. Pag nagpo-puff ako nito, pag nagaganon ako, parang fresh ulit yung face ko, and then parang bagong apply ulit ako nung makeup, the foundation with this one. So, yun. And with this, ang pinapartner ko kasi usually dito, yung aking Sansan, or yung aking photo ready na Revlon. Ito. Kasi yung Mary Kay ko, this is a matte foundation. So, parang feeling ko magkikake siya. Pero parang na-try ko ata. Sige, I'll try na lang na. Then, I'll update you guys kapag yung Mary Kay and this BB powder yung gagamitin. But yeah, with this makeup, I use this foundation. So, okay naman yung feeling sa akin nung powder. And, yun nga, nakakatuwa siya kasi it's long last. Not that naman, pero kung halimbawa pupunta ka sa office, hindi ka naman mapapawisan, umaga hanggang tanghali or hapon, nasa mukha mo pa yung powder. Parang hindi mo pa mararamdamang oily ka. Ganun yun yung nangyayari sa akin, honestly. And, yeah, pero siguro depende rin yan sa skin type, sa motion mo, sa activity na gagawin mo within the day. So, yun, siguro yun yung baka magiging kakaiba natin. But, yeah, maybe okay din sa inyo yung mga product na ginagamit ko. But, yeah, yun lang yung aking thoughts on the product. But, yes, yun lang. Yun lang yung disadvantage of this one. Medyo maliit yung mirror. I don't like the mirror. Medyo maliit. Oo nga, siguro, since it is, maliit lang naman, but pwede na, kasi parang rectangle yung mirror, diba? So, sana, medyo na-occupy ng buo yung dito. Sana ganun man lang kalaki. Kasi medyo mahirap tumingin eh. Mahirap mag-powder ng ano. So, yeah. I think I'm done reviewing this product. I hope this one helped you a lot, sis Missy. And yes, if you're asking if I would purchase this again, yes, I would definitely purchase it because it's very light, it's very affordable, it's very very convenient to use. So yes, I'm gonna purchase it. And yeah, thank you for watching, and sana nakatulong sa inyo yung review na ginawa ko. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and I will surely love to make more videos for you guys. So don't forget, thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Goodbye!